In the palm of my hand, I have a PowerLine inverter. This inverter is used in my car. As you can see, it has a male plug, and this little inverter puts out 200 watts of total power and 150 watts of continuous power. Each plug is rated for 100 watts, but it is recommended that you don't pull no more than 150 watts of continuous power. This little inverter has two USB plugs to charge your phone, each rating 2.1 amps. The inverter also has a female plug for a standard 12-volt car adapter. I've used this inverter on many occasions when I travel. I find that the inverter will charge my phone a lot faster if I plug my AC adapter for my phone into one of the AC plugs versus the USB plug. This is one of the things that will work well in an emergency situation, for example in a power outage, and I could use it readily with my Die-Hard portable 750, because my Die-Hard portable 750 also has a secret lighter plug right there. So this little device right here could be plugged right into my Die-Hard right there, and just use to charge my phone and accessories in my house should there be a power outage. So here is a PowerLine car inverter plugged directly into the Die-Hard portable 750. As you can see, the green light is lit, so everything is going well. It's getting good power. Now I'm going to plug a little FM transmitter, and that I use for mobile broadcast in case of emergencies, to this little unit, and we'll see what happens. Hold on. Okay, now I have a kilowatt meter hooked up to the unit here, the PowerLine inverter, and let's just see what kind of hertz we can get out of this thing. So the hertz is actually 12.5 hertz, and now it's 40 hertz. So it's like it's ramping up to 60 hertz, and granted there's no load attached to it apart from this little watt meter that's plugged into it, which is drawing about 0.32 amps. So about 12.7 hertz. So it is fluctuating, guys. 0.35 amps is being drawn by just this little kilowatt meter being plugged into it. So now I'm going to plug my FM transmitter into this little PowerLine inverter and just see if the hertz at least changes. See if it somewhat auto senses the hertz. Let's see what happens here. My FM transmitter has been plugged in, and automatically it did sense that this device requires 60 hertz and is up to 60 hertz. So the neat thing about this, or the unique thing about this little inverter here, is that it will not ramp up to 60 hertz unless a 60 hertz device is plugged into it, or a device that runs on 60 hertz, like this little FM transmitter right here. So there it is. That's about 60 hertz right there. So let's see what kind of watts is being drawn by just plugging in my little FM transmitter right there. Actually, like 1 watt. So it's a very low watt is being drawn from this right now, which is very good. So actually I could take this thing with me. This is a Die-Hard 750 with me on my mobile trips, and do a broadcast and have this thing running forever off my little 12 amp hour battery, because that just 1 watt is being drawn right there. Let's see what kind of amps is being drawn. So about 0.72 amps, so just say 1 amp. So I could actually run this thing for about 12 hours just by using this little Die-Hard portable 750 right there. So there you have it. running a little FM transmitter of my little PowerLine inverter. As I said, this inverter is rated for 200 watts, and I'm only pulling like 12 watts from it right now. And it has 2 USB plugs, each rating for 2.1 amps. So there you have it. My little PowerLine inverter. It's a car travel inverter, and as you can see, it can be used with my little diehard portable 750, and would come in handy indeed to use as an emergency unit, not only to charge my come to you live. Bye for now.